Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to show you how to use the keyboard shortcuts to copy, paste, and select all on a Windows computer or a laptop. So first, let me show you the keys and I'll show you some examples, okay? So first thing, and you guys are probably watching this video because you're coming from a Apple computer. It's a little bit different, okay? So with the Windows computer, to copy first, you want to hold down Control, which is this CTRL. You want to press and hold Control, and then you want to tap on C while you're holding it to copy. If you want to paste it, hold down Control and then tap on the letter V for paste. If you want to select all, again, hold down Control and then tap on letter A while you're holding down the Control, and that will select all. So let's do some examples. So I'm on a website here. Now let's say I want to go ahead and copy this text right here. I can go ahead and highlight this right here. And then if I want to copy it, I mean, you can always hover over it with your with the mouse right there, and you can right click and you can always go down to copy here, but we're going to use the keyboard. So I highlighted that, so I'm going to hold down Control and I'm going to tap on the letter C. Now it's copied. Now I can paste it anywhere I want. So for example, let me just open up a email here, and now I'm going to go ahead and click on Control and then Control and then the letter V to paste it, as you can see here. Okay, now you also have to select all. I mean, for instance, if I want to copy all of this, what I can do is, I mean, I can manually highlight everything like that, or as long as I have the cursor anywhere on here. Now if I go ahead and press Control and the letter A, it's going to automatically select it all, and now I can Control letter C. Now it's copied. Now I can go ahead and put it anywhere. Like for example, if I go to, even at the search on Google, so the cursor is right here, Control and then letter V, it's going to paste all that too. Also, if I go back into my email here, what you can also do too is, if you can hold down Control and then the letter A, I can select it all. Then I can, if I want to delete it, I can just tap on the backspace to go ahead and delete the whole thing as well. And I mean, not only the backspace, but you can always press the delete key too. Once you highlight it, it'll erase everything. So it's pretty simple to do.